Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English. It's the place where mastering English is both simple and enjoyable. I'm Bella.
Hi, Bella, and a big hello to our amazing audience all over the globe. It feels great to be back with you.
It really is. Jimmy, you look radiant today. You're smiling quite a bit.
I am indeed. I'm grinning because I've got a vacation on my mind.
Ooh, a vacation. That's definitely the best reason to smile. Where are you planning to head?
I'm craving the beach, somewhere nice and warm with plenty of sunshine and the ocean.
That sounds absolutely perfect. Everyone loves a holiday. But, Jimmy, getting to that beach usually involves travel.
Yep, and that means dealing with the airport.
Exactly, the airport.
To be honest with you, Bella, airports actually make me a bit nervous.
Really? Why do you say that?
They're just so massive, crowds everywhere, and all those announcements in English. It can be pretty intimidating.
I totally get it. It can be super stressful, but that's exactly why we're here today.
Right, to help me and all our listeners feel a lot more confident about the airport experience.
Spot on. Today, we're going to walk through the daily routine at the airport. We'll cover the essential vocabulary you need from the moment you step in until you're actually boarding the plane.
That's a fantastic topic. Taking it step by step. I really like that approach.
Me too. But hang on, before we begin our journey, we have a tiny favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please, if you're enjoying the channel, please take just a second to hit that subscribe button.
And give this video a huge thumbs up or like. It really supports us.
Also, please share this episode with friends who love to travel. Maybe you can even plan a trip together.
Yes, thank you so much, everyone. All right, Jimmy, are you ready to head to the airport?
I'm ready. I've got my imaginary bags all packed.
Awesome. So picture this. You arrive at the airport and walk through the sliding doors. What's the first thing you spot?
Usually, I see a massive board filled with times and city names.
Right, that would be the departures board.
Departures. That means planes that are leaving, correct?
Yes, departures are the flights going out, arrivals are the ones coming in.
Okay. So I scan the departures board and look for my flight number.
Precisely. You locate your flight and it tells you exactly which check-in counter to head toward.
The check-in counter. That's the long desk where the airline staff sit.
Yes, that's step one. You go up to the check-in counter. You need to present two things. Do you know what they are?
I think my ticket. Yes, either my ticket or the reservation number on my phone, and my passport.
Correct, your passport. It is the single most important document you have.
Got it. So I just say, hello, here is my passport.
Perfect. Friendly and simple. The agent checks it and then they'll ask about your bags.
Ah, the bags. This is where I get a bit confused. There are two types, right?
Yes, there's the checked bag and the carry-on bag.
Okay. Can you break down the difference for me?
Sure thing. The checked bag is usually the big, heavy suitcase. You hand it over to the agent, it goes into the cargo hold under the plane, and you won't see it until you land.
Okay. Checked bag, big suitcase. Bye-bye bag.
Yes, bye-bye bag. And the carry-on is the smaller bag. You keep that one with you and take it onto the plane. Carry-on. I carry it on. That's easy enough to remember.
It is, but be careful, Jimmy. The checked bag has a strict weight limit.
Oh no, what happens if my bag is too heavy?
You have to pay extra money, a fee.
I do not like fees. I will definitely pack light.
Good strategy. Now, at the check-in counter, they might ask you a very important question regarding your seat.
About my seat? Like what?
They'll ask, would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window or aisle?
The window seat is right next to the window. You get to see the clouds.
That That's nice. I enjoy watching the clouds. But the aisle seat is next to the walkway. It's easier to stand up and move around.
Ah, that's good for long legs. I think I'll go with the aisle seat.
Okay, so you can just say, an aisle seat, please.
An aisle seat, please. I'll remember that.
Great. After you check your bags and pick your seat, they hand you a piece of paper. Do you know what it's called?
Is it a ticket?
Sort of. It's called a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Got it.
This is your key to get on the plane. Do not lose it.
I will put it safely in my pocket or inside my passport.
Good plan. Now comes the part that makes everyone a bit jittery.
Security.
Yes, the security checkpoint.
Ugh, I get nervous just thinking about it. Everyone seems to be moving so fast.
I know, but if you're prepared, it's a breeze. You have to place your items in a plastic box. It's usually called a tray or a bin.
A tray. Okay. What exactly do I put in the tray?
You put your carry-on bag in there. You also put your phone, keys, wallet, and your laptop.
My computer?
Yes, you must take your laptop out of your bag. It needs its own separate tray.
That's a good tip. I always seem to forget that.
And usually you need to take off your belt and your shoes.
My shoes in the airport? That feels funny.
It is a bit funny, but it's for safety. So here's a pro tip. Wear comfortable shoes.
Easy shoes. No boots with a million laces.
Exactly. Slip-on shoes are the best.
And what about water? Can I bring my water bottle?
No, that's a big rule. No liquids over 100 milliliters, so you have to finish your water before security.
Yes. Drink it up or throw it away. You can always buy more water once you're inside.
Okay, no water, shoes off, laptop out. I can handle this.
You can. Then you walk through the metal detector. Beep.
Hopefully, and then you are airside. You're inside the terminal.
The hard part is finally over.
Yes, now you can relax a little. You need to find your gate.
The gate, that's the door to the plane, right?
Yes, your boarding pass has a number, something like gate B42.
Okay, I'll look for the signs. B42, B42, found it.
Good job! Now, usually, you have some time to spare before the flight.
I like this time. This is when I grab a coffee.
Of course, coffee is an essential part of the travel routine.
It is. I buy a coffee, maybe a sandwich, and I sit near the gate.
It's smart to sit near the gate. You need to listen out for announcements.
Announcements like, Flight 123 is now boarding.
Yes, or sometimes Flight 123 is delayed.
Oh no, delayed. That is the sad word.
It is. Delayed means it's late. On time means it's good. Canceled means go home.
Sadly, yes. But let's imagine our flight is on time.
Perfect. On time. Eventually, the agent will announce, we are now boarding.
Boarding. That means getting on the plane.
Yes. You show your boarding pass one last time. You walk down that long tunnel.
The jet bridge.
Yes. And you step onto the plane.
The flight attendants are there waiting.
They always smile and say hello.
They do. You say hello back. Then you find your seat, 14C.
The aisle seat, my favorite. I sit down, I put my seatbelt on.
Fasten your seatbelt. That is the phrase.
Fasten my seatbelt. Click.
And then you fly.
Into the sky.
Exactly, but the routine isn't finished yet. After the flight, you land.
We arrive.
Yes, if you are in a different country, you have one more stop, immigration or passport control.
Ah, yes, the officers in the booths. They'll check your passport again and ask you questions.
Questions? What kind of questions?
The most common question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
What is the purpose? That means, why are you here?
Yes, and you need a simple answer.
Can I say vacation?
Yes, vacation or tourism is perfect.
If I am there for work.
Then you say business.
Okay, vacation or business. Simple. And they might ask, how long are you staying?
1 week or 10 days.
Perfect. Keep your answers short and honest.
Short and honest.
Got it.
After immigration, you head to baggage claim.
Baggage claim. This is where my big suitcase comes back.
Yes, you wait at the carousel. That's the moving belt. I watch all the bags go round and round.
Until you see yours. You grab your bag and walk through customs.
Customs. That is the last door.
Yes, usually if you have nothing strange in your bag, you just walk through the green door marked nothing to declare.
And then I am outside.
You are. You did it. You survived the airport.
Wow. When we talk about it like this, step by step, it's not so scary.
It really isn't. It's just a series of small steps. Check-in, security, gate, boarding, arrival.
And knowing the English words helps a lot. Boarding pass, carry-on, gate. It makes you feel confident. You know what is happening. I feel much better, Bella. I think I'm ready to book my vacation now.
That is fantastic news. Where will you go?
Maybe Hawaii or Spain.
Both are amazing choices. I want to come too.
You can carry my bags.
Hey, I don't think so.
Just kidding, Bella. But really, this was very helpful. I hope our listeners feel ready to travel too.
I hope so too. Traveling is such a wonderful way to practice English.
It is. You talk to real people in real situations. So, Jimmy, we are at the end of our airport journey today.
We are. Time flies when you are having fun or flying.
Good one, Jimmy. Before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know, do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
That is the classic debate, window or aisle.
Tell us in the comments below. Write, I prefer the window because, or I prefer the aisle because.
We love reading your reasons. Some of them are very funny.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English so you don't miss our next adventure.
And share this video with your travel buddy.
Thank you so much for listening today. Safe travels, everyone.
Have a wonderful trip. Bye for now.
Goodbye. See you next time.